letter light, a pencil case, a map, and a magnifying glass? Today, everything will be extra small. In today's video, you will find a selection of fresh ideas for making miniature school supplies. To start the first idea, cut a letter out of cardboard. Attach self-adhesive foil. Make 2 identical letters. Punch several holes. Take LED lights. Insert the light bulbs into the holes. Take thin copper wire. Wind it around the LEDs. Isolate the wiring with hot glue. Connect a battery-powered power source. Install the lamp on a piece of wood. This trendy mini decoration will be an excellent personalized gift. It looks very stylish. Let's make the next craft from a plastic cap. First, cut the cap. Cover the piece of cap with foam paper. Use Elmer's glue. Attach a bottom made out of foam paper. Insert the second part of the cap. Decorate it with stickers. The result is a compact pencil case for mini pencils. And you also can remove the lid and use the case as a desktop pencil stand. Next, you need a piece of transparent plastic. Fold it in half. Draw a rectangle and cut it out. Take some tape. Glue the plastic from 2 sides. Cut off the excess. Cut a semicircle from another piece of plastic. Fasten it to the first piece using tape. Fasten a silver loop to the valve. Glue a mini pom-pom instead of a button. The result is a transparent folder for important papers. The baby folder will keep your secret material safe and sound. And now let's get some small sheets of paper. Fold and cut a sheet. Squeeze bright paint onto the paper. Dip a brush in white. Distribute the paint on the sheet, creating a light ombre effect. Add some texture using a foam sponge. Apply dark blue paint on the upper part of the sheet. Twist the foam brush to get curls. Make 7 colorful gradient backgrounds. Smooth the center and collect the sheets in a notebook. Secure them with a stapler. Done! A new mini notebook with bright pages will lift your spirits on a sad day. Next, you need a small cardboard box. For example, a box from pins. Cut out the middle with a box cutter. Glue the parts together like this. Use Superglue. Apply hot glue to the sides. Fasten a cardboard strip. Do the same on the other side. Get polka dot scrapbook paper for decoration. Go over the outline of the piece. Apply Superglue on the wall. Attach pieces of paper. Next, take some pieces of blue pipe cleaner. Hot glue the wire to the sides. The result is a desktop organizer for mini notebooks. All your tiny notebooks will fit in this folder with furry edges. Very comfortable! For the next life hack, take a plastic pipette and cut it. Press the pipette on a piece of white foam paper to mark where you'll make holes. Cut them out. Insert the bottom in the pipette. Glue the cap. Cut off a piece of foam rubber. Fasten a stick with Superglue. Glue the brush. Collect some whiteout with a pipette. Fill the bottle with it. A mini correction fluid is ready. Did you make a mistake? This mini whiteout with a soft brush will come to the rescue, and the mini whiteout will make all your future homework assignments flawless. And now you need pieces of red and yellow foam paper. Cut the edge of the yellow piece into strips. Cut them off. Fold the red piece in half. Cut it like this. Make a box and glue the yellow piece to it. The result is a mini portion of a McDonald's French fries. Take a rod from a mechanical pencil. Cover it with tape, leaving the tip free. Insert the pencil into the French fries. This funny tiny pencil works the same as usual. The difference is that you're the only one to have such a unique pencil. Making it is easy. For another mini idea, let's use a rubber band. Cut off a piece of a rubber band. Loop the rest of it. Cut an arrow from blue foam paper. Fasten it to the rubber band using Superglue. Done! This miniature bookmark will help you find not only the page on which you have finished reading, but will also point the arrow at the right paragraph. For one more craft, you will need toothpicks. Attach a strip of tape. Fasten a piece of the same size on the other side. Smooth them. Cut the edge at an angle. Give it the shape of a feather using scissors. Cut a square out of cardboard. Rub a candle on it. Coat the layer of wax with black paint. Make 2 such cardboard pieces. Cut off a piece of foam paper. Cut it in half. Attach the cardboard pieces to each other with Superglue. The result is a set for creativity made with a scratching technique. Scratch the paint with a feather and get bright inscriptions and drawings. Very unusual. And now take an ordinary pen with a cap. Cut the tip of the cap with a box cutter. Done! Take colorful tape and wind it onto the plastic ring. Cut the edge with scissors. Cut off a piece from a plastic pipette. Cut it like this. Insert it in your mini tape. Make some balls from yellow modeling clay. With the help of a skewer, give the edge a wavy shape. Decorate the center with small punctures to make a cookie. Attach the clay cookies on the axis of the bobbin. The result is a sandwich cookie with a cream layer in the form of the tape. The effect will be even more interesting if you use different shades of tape. Next up is a craft with a wooden skewer. Cut it into pieces and take a foam sponge. Cut out pieces of different shapes and sizes. Fasten them to the sticks using the Superglue. You made soft stamps for drawing. Dip a round stamp in the paint. Make a yellow imprint. Draw grass with a bigger stamp. Paint a blue sky. Apply stamps of scarlet flowers. Beautiful! And now take a piece of thick cardboard. Print out a small map of the world and go over it on the cardboard. Cut it out. Cut a piece of plastic of the same size. Laminate the paper map with the help of tape and plastic. Secure it on the cardboard. Glue on wooden sticks. Cut a slice from a wide ice cream stick. Fasten it to the map instead of a stand. Then take a toothpick. Cut it. Tie a rubber band to a piece of the toothpick. What a convenient mini pointer! This miniature geography set will decorate your desk and you will finally remember how many continents there are. By the way, how many are there? 6 or 7? Let us know the answer in the comments under the video. And now we will show you what to make using an old flashlight. Open it and take out the glass lens. Go over the glass on a piece of black foam paper. Cut out a little ring. Fasten it to the lens using Superglue. Break off a piece from a stick. Hot glue it to the lens. Cover the handle with black paint. With a mini magnifying glass in your pocket, you can become a real Sherlock in the world of geography. With this magnifying glass, you will surely find all the white spots on the map. Did you like our tiny office supplies? Write in the comments which of these mini life hacks you will use. Click like if you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications about new videos on Troom Select.